guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so excited you decided to stop by. If you are new or if you don't know, my name is Michelle and I have two kids. They are 8 years old and 2 years old, and then I also have 2 dogs and a husband, and my house gets filthy. So I like posting motivating cleaning videos that are realistic, that maybe you can relate to and motivate you to get up and get some of the stuff done in your home. So today I started in a super random spot, I know, but sometimes it's like the most random little things that will get me motivated to start cleaning. And once I start cleaning, then I am good to go and I can keep on going. So I started on my sliding back door today. It gets so dirty so quickly. We do have, like I said, a puppy. We have 2 dogs and one of them is a puppy, and he loves playing in his water bowl, and he will dig in his water bowl, and then he rubs up against the back door, which gets the back door filthy. And then obviously the front of the door gets filthy from my 2-year-old. It's life with a toddler. But I am super excited. I don't think I've shown you guys these yet, but I do finally have curtains over my back door, so we do have a little bit more privacy going on, and I absolutely love these curtains. I found them at Home Goods and fell in love and went ahead and bought them immediately. I might go back and see if they have more, just because I really do like them, and if they get ruined, I want to have a backup set. But I'm going to go ahead and move on into the kitchen and just kind of get everything done that needs to be done this day, and hopefully give you guys the motivation to get your stuff tackled today as well. So let's go ahead and get on into the motivation.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
Now I feel like it goes without saying that I do not clean a already cleaned house, and sometimes the camera just does not pick up just how dusty it actually is. So I wanted to get at least some footage showing you guys that, like, well, it doesn't look that bad. This table was awful and definitely needed to be dusted.
In the dark, with every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
Now, I have mentioned this in videos before, but my husband does work a graveyard shift, so typically dinner is all on me at night, and it can be extremely challenging, especially with my toddler. He, for whatever reason, does not like when mom does things other than pay attention to him. Imagine that. So you can see him behind me already, trying to figure out, like, he wants snacks, he wants his iPad, he wants all sorts of things. So I go ahead and just try and keep dinners easy. That way it is easy for me to get cooking and we don't have to worry about, eating out all the time or wasting money. So tonight's dinner I am making just some chicken that I just kind of sauteed in a pan with some seasoning. And I got this gnocchi from Costco. If you guys have seen it at Costco and have not tried it, I highly recommend it. It was so good. It has everything that you need to make in it. It had like a garlic butter sauce, it had everything. It was delicious, simple. I think the entire dinner was ready in like 15 minutes. And I cannot ask for more, especially as like a busy mom. There's just no way that I could make all of this from scratch with, just the schedules that we have.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says
This is a little bit later in the night. My son at this point has already gone to bed, and I wanted to go ahead and put away all of the dishes that I had washed earlier in the day. Now, I don't know what it is, but do any of you guys have just that one chore that you absolutely loathe doing, and it is your just least favorite chore in the entire house? A lot of people, I feel like, pick like doing dishes or cleaning toilets, things of that nature, but mine, for whatever reason, is unloading the dishwasher. I absolutely hate it. Typically, my husband does it. If I stay on top of dishes and if I run it at night, he will go ahead and empty them the next morning when he gets home from work. And I am so grateful for that, because for whatever reason, I just absolutely hate unloading the dishwasher, and I think it's the worst chore in the house. So let me know in the comment section, what is your least favorite chore in the entire house?
free. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off with hoping you
never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. We share a cigarette out on your mama's porch. Just do not let her know, 'cause she'll get furious. We're blowing rings of smoke out in the freezing cold. Driving in your shitty car, windows down, music loud. Promise me we'll stay like this. Talking about our kids someday, picket fence, fancy house. Do you think we'll stay like this? 'Cause I know we're only 17, but I just feel the need to tell you how I really feel about you. Maybe when we're older, we'll grow out of each other. But right now we're just 17. 17.
And for today, I just finished off the entire night by going ahead and vacuuming, followed by cross-waving. Now, you might think I'm crazy because I did vacuum and then cross-wave, and cross-waving is vacuuming while mopping, but there was a few areas that I wanted to vacuum up first. So I did not vacuum the whole floor. I did cross-wave the whole floor, although I didn't show it all. Honestly, I was just trying to get it done. It was 9 o'clock, and I wanted to hang out and relax for the rest of the night. But like I said, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to leave me in the comment section what is your least favorite chore in the house. I would love to know what you guys think and what chores you guys hate doing. But that is it for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
But right now we're just 17.